Hello everyone. We already got that video showing about the full system in this Mercedes Sprinter motorhome that we convert from on-grid to the off-grid setup with the 1080 watt-hour solar panel on the roof with 8 panels controlled by 3 different Smart Vision MPPT solar controller and built together with a set up 2 of the 340 mAh smart batteries from WattCyvle and combined with one of the King 3000 watt inverter and one of the Renogy lithium charger 20 ampere and also Renogy 60 ampere DC-DC charger. But in this video we want to focus on how smart the system is. Yes, it is small, it is very budget friendly, but it actually is very powerful and it can help you to enjoy the off-grid as much as you wish, but also it is very smart. It can be set up, control and look up from the phone around the motorhome or inside the motorhome. And firstly, talking about the Victron system, we have the Victron screen over here with a custom build frame for it nicely over there, and we have right now it actually is in the full charge, and we have 3 of the solar panel control smart one. So this and 3 of this you can easily open your phone, connect by Victron Connect, and you can see exactly what the system is doing in out from solar, from inverter, in out power. That's nice. Even better, those 2 batteries can be connect and show up the detail of the battery, very detailed temperature, the voltage, the power ampere in and out as well, charging and discharging by itself through the WattCyvle application. That means on your phone you have 6 of the smart item that you can look up and check and control and do setting. That's great. And again, this is not expensive. It's so budget friendly that we couldn't believe that it could be built, but we actually make it happen, because looking back to just another year or so, this one is impossible. So enjoy the video, and we have another one. So thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.